Hello everyone. So let's try to solve this Leetcode problem today. Okay. So Leetcode problem says here, from the given input array, you need to send the zeros to the end while maintaining the relative order, okay, of the other non-zero elements. So for example, in this array, you can see 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2. Output should be 1, 3, 12, 0, and 0. Okay. Here we have not changed the relative order of non-zero elements. Okay. That remains as it is. Like 1 after 3 after 12, it remains in the output. And if it is of size 0, it should return the same. Okay. So let's solve this problem now. So first of all, let's try to take care of this condition. If nums dot length is less than 1, then just return. Okay. Now, if it is more than 1, then in that case, what I'll do, I'll try to iterate from first to the end of the array. Now here I need to check if the current element is 0 or not. Okay, so if it is 0, then what we'll do, I need to find which is the non-zero element, and then I'll replace that element with the 0. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll take a temp. I'll iterate first. So for int j equal to j equal to I plus 1, because I need to find the next element, j less than nums dot length j plus plus. Here if nums j is not equal to 0, then what I'll do, I'll replace it. Okay, I'll take a temp nums j equal to nums I, and nums of I will be equal to temp. Okay. Else what we need to do in this case, else nums of I equal to because we don't need to do any change if it is non-zero. Okay, so this is the, and at last I'll do the return. I think it will solve the problem. Let's see. Cannot find symbol nums dot length. It's nums at line number 5. Okay, spelling of length. Okay, it says compiling error, wrong answer. Okay, what is the error that we had given here? Nums equal to I is equal to 0. Then I'll go from here to there, and okay, and I need to break. Okay, now it succeeds. So thank you so much for this video. If you think videos is helpful, do write in the comment section, like the video and subscribe to the channel.